intake on lane 3 is lower than average this hour.
Let's check the historical data for this group.
Okay, let's start with the hole stains in section 3.
According to the data here, they are all clear.
RFID scan complete. Security check passed.
Confirmed. Guiding the load to the processing zone.
Easy now, nice and slow. That's it, keep moving.
The temperature is stable at 101.5.
She's doing very well.
Alignment confirmed on my side. Okay, pressure looks stable. We are secure.
The sequence is complete. All indicators are green. Confirmed. The subject is stable.
All systems stabilized. Metabolic output remains optimal.
Confirmed. Adjusting nutrient flow parameters now.
Look at the yield metrics on screen 3. I see it. The calibration seems stable now.
The pH levels are stabilizing.
Good. Increase the mixer speed by 5%. We're showing a spike on the blue chemical line.
I just adjusted the valve. It should stabilize.
Rotation speed is optimal. Solution levels confirmed.
The current viscosity reading is slightly low. See that spike there? Yes, I see it. Let's check the salt levels immediately.
The moisture is at 14%.
Strength is holding steady at 2,500 newtons.
Here in the conditioning unit, automated systems apply the oils that give the leather its final shine and durability.
I see a few minor cuts near the edge. Yes, I have those marked. The uniformity looks good overall. push it to the left. Okay, I got it. Keep it moving.
How about this crimson shade here?
Yes, that meets the client specs for the cow leather run.
I think we're reaching the peak color right here.
Agreed. Adjusting the cycle now.
Should we increase the humidity flow?
Just slightly, monitoring the temperature differential now. Is that aligned?
Almost. Push it a little left. Okay, you're good.
The alignment is complete.
Confirmed on the tablet. We are within tolerance.
The calibration seems stable now. We're maintaining a tolerance of 0.05 millimeters.
Noted.
We're almost cleared out. Check the pressure levels again.
Levels are nominal. We can power down soon.
The pressure looks stable now.
Good. Make sure the density is logged.
Alignment confirmed. Perfect impression, right on the grain. The length is exactly 45.2 centimeters.
Okay, logged as passed.
The indicator is flashing again. Let me see. The stitching unit seems stable, maybe a sensor error.
We need 50 more by the end of the hour. Keep the quality consistent.
Align it right here. Okay, clear the machine.
Alignment is spot on.
Strength test approved. Move it to the next station.
Product Identification Unit.
See this section here? The tension is slightly off.
Yes, I see it.
Let's log that as a minor defect.
Make sure the leather boxes are secure for the overseas shipment.
Copy that. Scanning the last box now.
The morning delivery is already here.
Good. We can start right away. Check the throughput on line 3. We are seeing a slight dip. Yes, I noticed that. The sensor alignment might be off. The pressure is stabilizing now. Keep the flow rate steady. Got it, I'm adjusting the valve.
So the shipment tracking shows it's still in customs.
Right, but I just confirmed the paperwork here. It should update by the afternoon.
Look at the fluctuation here in the recycling stream recently.
It seems the new turbines are compensating automatically.